If I can't fit in, I should find another way. हेलो गाइस, आज मैं जल्दी उठ गया था तो नहा लिया हूँ। अब जाता हूँ नाश्ता करने। फिर गाइस कॉलेज भी जाना है। आज क्लासेस होगी। इंडिपेंडेंस डे ख़त्म हो चुका है गाइस, अब वापस से पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी। और जो बैकलॉग्स अभी तक तो कुछ ऐसा खास आया नहीं है, उसको भी थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज करना सीखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यही है गाइस, अब फाइनल ईयर में आ गए तो कुछ तो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। इंटरव्यू स्किल्स पे भी काम करना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। सोच रहा हूँ एक चैलेंज लेता हूँ 7 डेज़ विथ इंग्लिश वाला, कि हाँ कम्युनिकेट करूँगा और मैं ब्लॉगिंग भी इंग्लिश में करूँगा उसमें। तो गाइस देखते हैं अगर कर पाऊँ तो। आज से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्या गाइस? सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे। सो hey guys, I am blank. Why I am blank so much? So there is some issues with my mind. It's think about in English, but when it's time to say, when I talk, there is blank. So I should fix this as soon as possible, because English is the communication language which is work in every country and is an international language. So I must I must get the way of communicating in the English. As you can see, my English something is break or something like I am doing something rubbishness, but slowly I can perfect myself. So why not start? If I can't begin, then how can I achieve intermediate level or pro? Depending on the time. So I am only surrounding in this my room here and there. So just I should dress up and then go to take the breakfast. So guys, let's meet in the some minutes. So guys, I am going to nice for breakfast, and today's weather is something like beautifully organized, and there is a pump and there is much motors noise which is coming inside. Yes guys, I trying to frame the sentence, but somehow I am just rigged. Let's try once I have the perfect mind to speak, mind to mouth connection, then can easily frame the sentence. So I'm just focusing on the things how to place the sentence from the mouth. Sorry for anyone can expert or knowing the my mistakes. So sorry for that. I am just trying. First time I have that much. Before that, for some 2 years to 3 years, I have do some same thing, but for real content. Past 1 year, yes, but I have stopped after 2 to 3 years, because I don't have that much courage that time. But slowly, I have encouraged by myself, by whom I am. So I'm just now what I am, a trier. Yes, it's not correct, but I mean yes, I just trying to do this as 7 days challenge. I'm daily vlogs in English as possible as I can do. If some word is English pronounced, so sorry for that. If my pronunciation is also not correct, sorry for also that. Let's go to mess. Here we go. I don't reveal my look, so let's see. That is I looking today. Nice combination, I think, for myself, as I have little bit choices are good. Hey guys, so let's continue our vlogs in English. This is the first day of vlogging in English. So something I am some nervous to this thing, because I am not much speaking in English. Like I can think in English, I can understand English, but when it's time to speak in English, I am just sometimes nervous or I can't frame the sentence which is I am framing in the mind absolutely without any errors, and pronunciation is little bit not perfect or not intermediate level. So I just do my 7 day challenge. So let's continue the vlog. Also, I am fixing my angles. As you know, I am working on these things. Now let's continue the vlog. So I am doing something like yes, I have the code chef competitions to today. That is Monday month. Yes, that is the competitions which I have to done today. But- So there is the problems which can come in, like too easy problem, too medium, then too hard. It's not that much easy, but I have tried my best to do this type of competitions, so I can prepare myself for interviews. As I am final year student, I also work on my communication skills. As ma'am I today told, if you can't work in this time in your final year, then you must regret in your future life. So if you can give your some times to these things, then you can achieve something that you can achieve, but some practice and some like that I am stuck in some word. I like thinking, yes, in future you will regret your decision. Why I can't prepare? If I can prepare at that moment, I can get what I want. So just like that, I am just preparing for myself, and it's not that I prefer like DSA, but just one after one continuity I want to maintain. So I doing this test. My major field is like think design thinking. Like if I can make the systems and can think all over possibilities of how to make a system design that much fix that it can handle everything which users want and can be satisfied by all stakeholders or startup owners that they want with this product. I more like product designing, but sometimes ago I see the roadmap of product design manager. That is the biggest post. For that you should be at SD roles, then by promotion one by one you can achieve that. So just like that, I am preparing for these things. DSA is the side hustle I want to do in my life in this current period, not in the life. If I can't fit in, I should find another way to get the role. Therefore, I should also practice aptitude. Yes, that is the correction. Aptitude, and then there is something like technical round. Also have some languages, and I think there is options now. There is Meta is trying to establish agentic coding in the interview that can users use and get the result, but that is not universally adapted. So therefore I should practice these things now. If that is done by companies, then I should deliver who I am at prompting and at designing and at selecting the right result. That is my specialty, or I have this type of specification I can work with. I can also suggest which designs work good. Yes, I am interested in UI UX. I am telling my resume you to you, not guys. So let's do these questions, and that's it, guys. Today, I there is some frame issues. So guys, that is, let's prepare for myself for these things and trying to fix my angle. If I should click to 1x, then what will happen? Let's see. 1x and on stage. that is correct, then that much I should be placed to give my full look. But I think there is no voice coming from this distance. So better is do with 0.5x. It is best. It is best. I think like that. It's work best. It's cover more area and also work perfectly. So guys, let's meet in next vlog. Thanks for watching, and if you like my self self competition, so subscribe to my channel, and our song goes sometimes something viral. Yes, which I have created. I have to see you guys. Yes guys, my vlogs getting low views. I don't find any reason to fix it. Let's see what happened. Mm, I have there. Oh, yes, guys. It's sometimes of first Lofi version gets only 151 views, but next one is something like 787. So it's like going through the right pages. Or and guys, tell me what you think about this song, how you feel. I will also attach the link of this mashup. That's it, guys. Let's meet in next vlog. I can't say what is the last wording of my vlog. I also let's try to frame this on English. चलो गाइस मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. सॉरी फॉर दैट हिंदी वर्डिंग. लेट्स एंड दिस व्लॉग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.